Is your Illustrator animation looking a little Euro-chaotic? Let's tame that motion. First, open the animation panel. It's your animation control center, found under Window, then Animation here. You see all your frames laid out. To adjust the timing, simply click and drag the edge of a frame. Dragging it longer extends its duration. Slowing down that part of the animation shorter shortens it and speeds it up. Want to tweak the path an object takes? Select the object on the artboard. Then use the direct selection tool, that's the white arrow, to adjust the anchor points on its path. Moving these points reshapes the path, changing the trajectory of your animation. It will automatically adjust in the animation frames. Need to change how your animation loops? In the animation panel's menu, those three horizontal lines, you'll find options like looping. Experiment with different loop types like forever or a specific number of times. Effects, playing funky. Select the animated object and open the Appearance panel window. Appearance here. You can modify or remove any effects applied to the object, like blurs or glows, ensuring they look just right during the animation. To add a fade in or fade out, use the opacity property in the animation panel. Create a keyframe where the opacity is 0, then another where it's 100%, and Illustrator will automatically generate the fade. And that's it. With these simple tweaks, you can refine your Illustrator animations for a polished, professional look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tips.